Uh, wow, I am not. Oh man. Oh, I didn't start the timer. That's okay. This has been going. Okay. Well, I have wasted 5 minutes now. I cannot focus. Byte streams and char streams, right? Two different types. Input and output streams, and then buffered streams. The temporary location is typically a byte or character array called a buffer, and the whole process is called buffering. The reason why an intermediate memory location is introduced is that appealing to some sources or destinations takes a substantial time interval. So buffering is a kind of optimization that minimizes the number of interactions with them. When you write data to the stream, it is first accumulated in a buffer. Once the buffer is full, the whole stored data is written to the destination. Got it? Some input streams also have a buffering feature. When a stream reads data for the first time, it reads as much as a buffer can hold, even if a few bytes of characters were requested. The buffered input stream will read bytes until the buffer is full. The next reading first checks if there are any unread bytes in the buffer. In case the buffer contains some unread data, then the stream takes from the buffer. Yeah. All right, let's see if I got anything from that. Of a stream source. What are streams in Java? Sometimes you want to minimize the interactions with the source, so you use a buffered stream. Temporary memory location reads data from a source, writes data. Cool. The technical support of a bookshop decided to automate the daily reporting system. The team plans to create a program that will run in the end of each day to create the report dailytotal.csv. To do that, the program should automatically retrieve the file dailysales.csv. So I would create an output stream. You'd probably, okay. Read the input stream. Open daily sales. It's like so subjective. Do you want this first? Like, what do you want? I don't know. No, that's too late. So it'd be nice to not do that. You would, in my opinion, you would open the file, because what if it doesn't exist? Then you would read the data of the open file to see if there is any data. If there is data, you would create the output stream, process the data, then write to the data. But that's not what they want to do, so I don't know. It's like, I don't know. What do we have to use street? Cool. Oh, what are streams now? Gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. How do I... think we're back. All right. All right. For each class provides a set of useful methods while they have common methods for reading data. Reads a single character. If the end of the stream is reached, the method returns the value -1. Otherwise, it returns the numerical representation of the character according to the current encoding. int read char cbuff character buffer reads a sequence of characters into the past array up to its capacity and returns the number of characters that were actually read. Offset in length. Char set? They wouldn't call that. I don't know what char set is. Set of characters? Oh. Is a class that declares the encoding from sequences of bytes to characters. By default, Java uses the UTF-16 encoding suitable for most tests. However, sometimes the file may have another encoding and you'll have to use a different char set to read the content of the file properly. Like, I wonder, like, if you had emojis, would you need a different char set? I think so. Now let's try to read a file. Let's say we have a file.txt with the following content, input stream. Reader. New file reader. First, second, in. These two lines are an example of the mentioned int char method. Char others, new char 12. Reader.read others 10. Interesting. So I can request the next 10 characters or the next 12 characters by passing in an array. And if I don't pass in any array, it just returns the char. Oh, it returns the length. But this would probably be populated. Let's explain the result. Since we've read the first two letters into the variables, the first 10 characters of others are filled starting from the third letter. When the stream reached the end of the file, it stopped reading, so the last two characters are not updated. When you create an empty array, it's actually filled with default values, which are U for a char array. This is the reason why the last two elements of others are U. The tricky thing here is that is interpreted as an empty symbol. Remember that when you read data into an array, well, suppose we have a file.txt that contains the following text input stream. Let's read it using the file input stream. It can be created by using several constructors such as new file input stream, path to file, new file input stream file, path to file, or the class file. Got it? Here we create a file input stream by specifying the name of the file. Yeah. We're going to have it read the first 5 bytes. define a byte array. You tell it to read. If it just reads till it's full. Now bytes contains input. The byte by byte approach also works here, similar to the character testing input streams. Previous examples, we were considering reading data from files to show you how it's done. You can try it yourself at any moment. However, in the following coding problems, we are going to ask you to read data from standard input by other input streams, classes, and there are some things to keep in mind. When testing your programs in IDE, you type the text and press enter to push the typed text into the input stream, like when you did with scanner. In this case, the end of line symbol is also applied as the last symbol of the type sequence of the character. We'll be right over the way. What type of stream should I use? The main difference between byte and character stream is that byte ones read input data as bytes, while character ones work with characters. A computer understands only sequences of bytes. From this perspective, any data is a set of bytes, and byte input streams are a common way of reading any kind of data. Oh my god. For computers, characters are still combinations of bytes defined by a char set. Contrary to human beings. Alright, let's see if we can do this. What would the output of the following Java code be? So we read a file, we read the first 3 bytes. So it would be JAV, JAV. File stream read array, system out, print char b, close. It feels weird that it wouldn't be Java. 0, 1, 2, 3. I think it's this. Read an input text from the console and print its characters in reversed order. Use reader for collecting characters. The input is limited by 50 characters. However, you are welcome to find a solution that does not depend on the input size, which may require what, don't you have to do like while something like this. have no idea if this is right. Input add reader next. And then it's like you go backwards, right? How do I define an array in Java? I actually don't. Can I just not pass a dimension? I literally don't know how I would do this. That seems helpful. If I can do that, then this becomes easier, right? Because then, so chars, then I don't need to do this. I can change this to that, and then I can just do reader dot read chars, I think. Oh my God. Like, what is charts? I don't understand. How do I make... Like, how do you make an array? I like, don't know. Oh, I'm getting over this real quick. It's just like, why is this so complicated? Oh my God. It's just like, I want to do one thing. It's like, what is going on? Int 5, creating an array. I don't... New char. Yeah. What does read line give me? Oh my God. Okay, so it's a string and I can't call .length on it? Okay. For int I equals chars dot length. Dude, I don't understand. Like Like, what is it? How do I find the length of something? Oh my God. Now it's just not running. I don't want to do this. Oh my God. Why do they do this? It's like, why are you telling me to use... I really don't like that. This is clearly a terrible question if the setup is just this bad. Reader... I don't know. Is that going to work? I have no idea. It's... oh, God. I really don't like this. Why is there an int? I don't understand. Oh, my God, dude. This stuff is so stupid. Oh, my God. How do I go back to the theory? It's like I'm going to be here all day. Oh my God. Not a file reader. I need... Oh, this is good. That's it. It's not -1. Yeah, look at this. So go back. Oh no, I don't remember what it was. Oh, maybe this is the problem. Nope. How do I reset this? I need this to get rid of the code I wrote. I need this to reset. How do I... Can I restart here? I think it was buffered reader. Was that it? Dude, this fucking AI. It doesn't make any... It just fucks with me. I literally... It's telling me different... Fuck. It's like, what is... why is it here? I don't understand. Why did they add this here? Just so bad. Oh my God, it's just fucking with me. It's literally telling me random stuff. How do I... oh my God, there's 4 minutes left. Oh my God, this got... I literally can't remember what it was. I don't know what the question was. I don't know how to solve this now. Buffered reader. Why would it tell me buffer reader? I don't... So dumb. So dumb. Okay, so now you can get a char input equals reader.read while input does not equal -1 we can now do something, right? So now we would do an accumulator equals new char and you could do acc.add input equals reader.read and now I just don't know how, so it would be reader.readLine.length. Just feels weird to like read the whole line and then go one at a time. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I can do for int I equals acc dot length. I is greater than 0. I minus minus system dot out dot print acc I semicolon. Try this. Wow, okay, syntax. This is also in the wrong spot. Try again. Okay, so it's just literally all wrong. Wow, what a waste of fucking time. Oh my god. Like, I don't know what a buffered reader... Did I type it? Typo, maybe? Okay. From int to char? Do it anyway, dude. Fuck you. Oh, God. Deal with it tomorrow. What a terrible session.